As work continues on removing mosquito breeding sites at schools across Portmore St. Catherine, local authorities are now turning their attention to another public institution, police stations, as well as business places. The matter was discussed at a dengue press conference this week. TVJ's Krista Campbell reports.
An eyesore at the Greater Portmore Police Station, better known as 100 Man in St. Catherine, now a breeding site for mosquitoes. And with the municipality particularly vulnerable to the current dengue outbreak, the local authorities are increasingly worried.
There are a number of derelict vehicles in some cases at a number of police stations, and these tend to collect water and breed mosquitoes. I'm sure that reports would have been submitted. 8 tires were found breeding. Water was also seen in plastic containers.
Chief Public Health Inspector for St. Catherine, Grayson Hutchinson, says those plastic containers were drained of water, and the police say they are taking steps to get rid of mosquito breeding sites on their compounds. But Mayor Leon Thomas is concerned about inmates in Portmore lockups. The police assure there's been no reports of dengue-like symptoms from any inmate. Still, the mayor wants the National Solid Waste Management Authority to immediately remove bulky waste as soon as the Public Health Department points them out as a breeding site for mosquitoes. He says they include garages, tire shops, and places where refrigerators and stoves are repaired. Mr. Thomas pointed to at least 2 such locations in the Waterford community.
When you look inside those old machines, it is like a bee's hive. When we actually turned it over and could see the larvas within the containers.
The Public Health Department is also concerned about drains and sewage treatment ponds in Portmore. The Chief Public Health Inspector wants a scheduled program of cleaning and maintenance, particularly for drains close to schools in Portmore, where students are at an increasing risk of contracting the dengue virus.
In some cases, the drains are at the front, or the drains are at the back, or the drains go through the school. So it's important that one recognize that and put a plan in place to address the drains.
The mayor is appealing to the local government minister for funds to help with additional drain cleaning. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.